Hi everybody. This is Tanya and George. So, I'm qualified in TEFL and TESOL, and I teach English as a major. I'm qualified English teacher, so I teach across all levels. I teach across all levels and also for people who are professionals as well. So, I'll quickly move on since the matter of time. I'll just move on to talk about just a little touch on English and what is your basic knowledge that you need to understand to learn English to crack a competitive exam. So, as you all know, English is something that is very important in today's world. Whether you go outside, whether for a job or whether for anything, we use English as a medium to connect between two people, or maybe we use English to connect with the computer, with the phone, mobile, anything, right? So that is why the importance of English plays a very big role in everyone's life. So if you have to go to another place and you do not know your native language and the other person do not know your native language, you will use English as a medium to connect with each other. So that's why English is such a big and important language for everybody, and all individuals use this English to develop themselves. So if you want to understand the importance of English, so if you read through this, it says plays an important role in everyone's life. Like I mentioned, it's not only spoken in the country of Britain or Germany. It is spoken everywhere around the world, and there are people who still study English irrespective of their age. So the first and foremost thing is that it helps you to communicate with each other. So that is one. How can English be very important in your life? So what can it do to be a role of importance, if you ask me? So if you are in college or school, I'm sure you would study English as your second language or your first language, and then you go out, pass out of college, you still have English as playing a role in job interviews. The first thing that they ask you is, do you know English? The converse is in English. So English is like a business language, and it not only helps you to communicate with the other person, it also helps you to let the other person know what are you thinking about. So like you turn around and see English is everywhere. You can easily access English language from television, music, websites, magazines, etc. You don't have to learn from boring textbooks. Previously, those days, we used to read textbooks to understand English. So we used to have a lot of books, and we used to look at the books and understand and learn English. But now Google, internet is already have full of information about English, what to do, how to crack a competitive exam. You can use English in your own way of speaking. You can adapt how to speak, whether with idioms or with verbs, adjectives, whatever you like. So using English is very especially important because it increases your desire to learn. The more you talk to people in this language, the more people will talk to you. Different use of different words and helps English, make it a beautiful language. So what will you learn in this course? If you have to pick up Veda Pachala's course for English, few things that are listed here is verbal ability, English grammar, sentence completion, verbal analogies, word groups, instructions, critical reasoning, and verbal deduction. Apart from this, there are other things that we could include on. Suppose if you're in a competitive exam and you let us know that you're studying for a competitive, say GMAT or for CAT or whatever it is, be it any competitive exam that has English as a language, you can let us know the courses, or you can let us know for what are you preparing on, basis which we will pick up the topics and we will run you through the course to crack the competitive exam. So these are major things that are more important to crack the competitive exams. But if you look at what is verbal ability, English grammar, sentence, verbal words, critical, everything is interrelated. So if you study grammar first, you will be able to make up a sentence. So grammar covers verbal analogies and also word groups instructions. So when you have verbs in a place in the grammar itself, you'll be able to cover the rest of it. Though the topics are a little advanced, it helps you to gain knowledge, understand, and make up your own sentences. So just a brief touch on what is verbal ability, grammar, sentence completion. So verbal ability is nothing but it is the capability of one person expressing ideas using a clearly understandable manner. Nothing but if you have a good vocabulary, you can form a nice sentence. So how do you form a sentence? So that is one. English grammar is you use structure of words, phrases, clause, sentences. It all covers this. This is also a vast, big topic. Sentence completion is if you know grammar and you know verbs, you'll be able to, complete the whole sentence. How do you complete a sentence using different? So in your competitive exam, you will be given 2 or 3 blanks. You will have to complete the sentence using sentence completion. Verbal analogies is nothing but it is drawn it is a similarity between one pair of words and another pair of words, so they give you options and you need to pick up which is interrelated. So word groups are nothing but if you see it says it refers to person, animal, thing, an event or a meeting. This is also something that is related to interrelated to English. Critical reasoning also is covered in this topic. It is the actively and skillfully conceptualize, analyze questions, and evaluate ideas and beliefs. So I don't want to go in depth to understand about each topic, because if you touch one topic, you will have to cover the rest of the parts in English. And when you cover the rest of the parts, you need to understand it with with the examples. Verbal deductions is also something that is covered in this topic of English. So apart from this, if you have any other topics, or if you ask, if you want us to teach you English only for a competitive exam, we could probably look at your syllabus or your GMAT. The main topics, help you cover and help you crack the score. So that's what Veda Pathshala does. It helps you build the education system for you cracking all your exams. So that is from my end. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to Mr. Sanju from Veda Pathshala team. Thank you. Do you have any questions for me? If you have any questions, you can just type it in the chat box as well, and I'll be responding to it. Any questions? Okay. So, if you have any questions, feel free to just drop in a note to the chat, or you can drop it to Mr. Sanju, and he will be responding to any questions, or he will direct it to me for a response. So, that's it from my end regarding a touch base on what is English and what will be covered in this course. If you have anything else, or any list, or any topic that you wish to cover in this particular syllabus, that course that you wish to learn, you can just let Mr. Sanju know, and we will help you out accordingly. Thanks a lot, everybody. Mr. Sanju, you can take over the class right now.
Let them ask some questions, ma'am. If they ask any questions, and within 10 minutes you can leave. Okay, by 4:30 you can
Sure.
leave. Yeah, any one of you, you can. I am enabling you. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can ask any questions you wanted to ask. Go ahead. So, ma'am, he's here to teach you something, right? You should get it. Whatever you have doubt, you just ask, ma'am, regarding gate. What is the role of English? Do you have any doubts regarding how to answer for the like analysis part? They will give the paragraphs, right? From our students side, I want to ask you, ma'am, how to answer this type of like paragraphs things. They will give the one story related to anything. and they will give some questions to us, and it takes more time when we are not good at English. For example, most of the students were from the Telugu medium background up to intermediate, and it
Mhm.
takes more time to them to understand that paragraph, maybe any story or any article. How can they give the answer fast?
Okay. So actually, the easiest scoring topic is comprehension passage. So comprehension is nothing but I think what you asked is they give you a paragraph and ask questions out of it, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So that is something, you have everything with you. You have the story, you have the answers as well. So what you have to do is because you are not from an English background, you will have to look at the question first, read through the comprehension slowly, understand the concept, understand what exactly is the story about. So they will say, they'll give you a comprehension of my school annual day, or they'll give you a comprehension of any topic. First, understand what is the topic on, read the topic, understand the topic, read the paragraph. Once you read the paragraph, when you go to the questions, the question itself has hints to the paragraph, so it has answers to itself. So you will have to read the instructions carefully, go through the questions and answer it at least twice. So don't use your outside knowledge to answer questions from the paragraph, because comprehension is always talking about only what is in the question paper. Four or five questions are given, right? And a paragraph of 10 lines are there. Only from the 10 lines you have to answer. So don't use outside knowledge. Use what the paper has. Read the question, take out hints. So for example, it says, when was my annual day conducted? So the answer is there in the paragraph itself. So it says, okay, annual day is which date they asked. So you go back to your paragraph. If you read, you will find out. Search for the letter annual day and then search for the letter day. So that's how you will link it. So this is such an easiest thing to score, to make a scoring for an English exam. I would always love comprehension passages because it gives you the question, it gives you answers as well. You just have to play hide and seek, find it out. So, how you do it is you use only the paper knowledge, what is there in it, read it properly 4 or 5 times, and then answer questions only related to the topic. So, that's it from my end. Any other question?
Yeah, remaining all of you can ask the questions. It is free session. Yeah, it's a demo. Demo means it is not one side thing. You should clear your doubts before you are going to commit for a particular task to crack the gate. Can you please ask the questions, Srinu Nayak garu, Ambika garu, Bhaskar, any one of you? ఎవరు 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 అనుకుంటా ఉంటే మీరు ఎవరిలోనే ఉంటారు. నేను 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 అనుకుంటేనే ఆ గేట్ క్రాక్ చేస్తారు. సక్సెస్ చేయాలంటే ఇనిషియేట్ అవ్వాలి కదా ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ ఎండ్. మీరు కూర్చున్న చోటనే గేట్ కోచింగ్ వస్తుంది కానీ మీ కూర్చున్న చోటికి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ రాదండి. In your point of view, ma'am, actually in your point of view there will be no difficult part in actually in English, but can you please tell me which part will be the difficult one in English exam?
So,
Gate, which one will be the difficult?
in difficult part in English exam is if you understand grammar. So grammar is something from small classes they will teach grammar. So
Okay.
grammar, if you know grammar, particularly how to use grammar in English language, you can crack this exam, competitive exams. So because everything, even if it is not competitive job, even for everywhere, for speaking, you need grammar as one important aspect.
Okay.
So if students have gone
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
am I there?
Yeah, now, yeah, you there?
Okay, I thought I just got disconnected. Yeah. So if somebody has gone through a GMAT exam, like made an attempt, they should share their experience probably, like which was the, you know, toughest part for them, because students will be able to help the teacher understand.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable time. And I hope
No
we'll,
problem.
yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. So if you have any
Yeah,
questions, feel free to
yeah, you
ask,
can, even you can
because,
send in WhatsApp group also. Ma'am will respond.
yeah,
Yeah, thank
okay.
you. Okay, ma'am.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks, sir. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. And now Mahesh sir will take care of the class, and I am giving the control to Mahesh sir. He is the maths lecturer in a government degree college, and he's very good at maths. And sir, now you can share your screen, sir. And he is teaching mathematics for you in Veda Pathshala. సార్ మీ వీడియో ఆన్ చేస్తే నేను
Okay, sir.
yes sir, we can see you. Yes, yes.
Audible?
Yeah, you are audible, but little bit it is
Hello.
dark there. Can you please arrange your
Hello.
mobile? Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, can you please
Good evening,
arrange?
students.
We are not able to see you, sir. It is dark out there. Your face is dark.
I'm starting now. I'm starting now.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Are you visible my screen?
Yes, sir.
Hello, student. Yeah, okay. Yeah, good evening, students. Myself, Mahesh Shetty. I'm completed my post graduation in maths, and I am pursuing now bachelor education in mathematics. And I'm working as a DL lecturer in Telangana Residential College. So now we have to see that the syllabus of the
Sir?
all competitive exams the same.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Tell me, sir.
ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ తీసేసి మీరు నార్మల్గా మాట్లాడండి, ఇది డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ తీసేయండి.